Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great sports car in our collection. A pre-owned 2014 Porsche Cayman. This Porsche is powered by rear-wheel drive 6-liter engine, manual transmission, and has 49,495 miles. Unleash your driving passion with this stunning 2014 Porsche Cayman. Experience exhilarating performance, sleek design, and unmatched luxury. Don't miss the chance to own this masterpiece. Schedule your test drive today and feel the thrill. This pre-owned Cayman comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Porsche Cayman is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.